Ever wanted to live stream your content directly to YouTube with the professional quality of your Canon 5D Mark IV? First, on your camera, navigate to the wireless communication settings within the menu. Select Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connection, then choose to connect to a smartphone. On your smartphone, go to your Wi-Fi settings and select the network name displayed on your camera's screen. Enter the password also shown there. Now, open the Canon Camera Connect app, ensuring it's paired with your camera. Within the app, look for the Remote Live View Shooting option, which will display your camera's live feed. Connect your smartphone to your computer via USB for stable tethering. Then, in your streaming software like OBS, create a new video capture device source and select your smartphone. Enter your YouTube live stream key into your streaming software. Once you hit Go Live in your software, your camera's high-quality feed will broadcast directly to your YouTube audience. You're now live, sharing incredible quality with your audience, all thanks to your Canon 5D Mark IV's built-in Wi-Fi and a few simple steps.